Welcome to Week 2, Computer Concepts. These are the instructions for activating the SAM Cengage training. So go ahead and select Computer Concepts, go into Readings, PowerPoints, and MindTap Training. And then you'll select Remember Anything with the logo will take you directly to the Cengage website. And you'll begin. Click Start. Over in the top left corner, it'll tell you there are 1 of 25 tasks. If you click this bar right here, it'll list all of the task topics. As you complete each topic, you'll get a green check mark. So if you ever need to come back to complete the training, if you can't complete it all in one sitting, don't click Submit, just X out. And when you come back, it'll pick up where you left off. So please watch every video, and you have the options for CC, which is the closed caption, or you can click transcript and you get everything that is said in this video in print. So if you'd like to put the transcript on or your closed caption, there is no fast forward, so you have to play through the entire video. At the end of each video, you'll have a question to answer, and sometimes they will have that select all that apply. So once you select, and I'll just randomly select, and I'll click Save Answer. If it's incorrect, you can click Retry. And once you select your correct responses, it'll go on to the next task. So when you watch the video, the question that appears at the end is not the exact question that'll be on the test, but it'll be a question that's based on the video. That's why it's important to watch each video. There will be a question on the test that relates to the video. So make sure you go through each of the videos so that you're prepared for the test. Again, if you can't do all of the tasks in one sitting, don't click Submit, just X out, and when you come back, it'll pick up where you left off. Thank you.